I dropped out of university at the age of 17, and in today's video I'm gonna tell you guys how I convinced my parents, how I dropped out, and what happened after I dropped out. If you'd like to get an idea, make sure you watch this video until the end. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. My name is Ehsanszz. I am a 20-year-old entrepreneur based here in Dubai, and I've been doing dropshipping since the past 3 to 4 years after dropping out of college. Now this might sound crazy, but literally one dropshipping product made me drop out of college, along with a few other reasons, but I'm gonna get into everything one by one, so make sure you guys watch this video. And also, on a quick side note, the last winner for the $100 giveaway is right over here. We have sent the amount, and if you guys would like to win the $100 for today's video, make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'm giving away $100 in almost all of my videos. So let's get into my story. I dropped out of college at the age of 17. First of all, how did I even get into college at the age of 17? Most of the times you get into college at the age of 18. Now what happened was crazy. I cannot go into more details about it, but let me tell you guys more about the story and maybe you guys will get an idea. So after starting my foundation year, basically the year that you just get into college and understand everything for one whole year, the second year started, and that's when it truly hit me. But I had different future plans for myself, not just a paper degree. And also guys, real quick, this video is not for you guys to drop out, because you never know what's gonna work out for you. Maybe studying works out for you, maybe something else works out for you. So starting off at the age of 17, I started my foundation year at a college here in the UAE. And after studying my first year, the second year started, and it was really getting tough for me. Now at that time, I did not do anything with my social medias. I did not have any business plan whatsoever, and the only thing that I was doing was YouTube only. And as you guys already know, every teenager have had the dream of starting a YouTube channel and becoming a YouTuber, since you guys have seen how YouTubers live, and it was literally a dream of every single child. So for me, I started YouTube at the age of 14, and until college I was continuously uploading on YouTube while none of my friends actually knew about it. I just had it private, nobody knew about it, and I was just uploading videos that I felt like uploading, which to be honest I can't even show right now because I'm so ashamed of filming those videos. But regardless guys, that is what got me here. Because if it wasn't for me trying different things, if it wasn't for me knowing that I have a different path to choose, I would have probably never dropped out of college. And coming to the dropping out of college, how did I convince my parents to let me drop out of college? This may sound very exaggerating, but literally one dropshipping product made me drop out of college. And that one product was the sunset lamp. So after starting my second year in college and finding this winning product, I literally went to my parents and told them that I have different plans and I want to take a year off before I start my second year. As you guys might have already guessed it, my parents came back, going back and forth with me, saying this is not going to work out and it's not going to be worth it. But alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had different plans for me, and it literally worked out in my favors. After finding out my first ever winning product, I literally made over 70k in profit, in dirhams of course. And of course, that's not the end of the story. I just kept getting more winning products, getting more sales and more money into my bank account. Now that's when I decided to completely drop out of college. Now after making over 6 figures of profit in so many different stores, that's when I decided to fully drop out of college. And you guys might be thinking, my parents let me drop out of college because of the money. Well, slightly true, but at the same time not true. The only main reason why I dropped out of college and why I could drop out of college was because I was studying business in my college. So by the end of the day, I would have been a businessman anyway. If I could do it at an early age and start my own business at the age of 17/18, why not do it? Why wait until 2021, until I graduate, until I get my master's, and then get a job, and then probably get some salaries? Which again sounds so long, sounds so ridiculous, but that was the plan. The plan was to study for almost 6 to 7 years in college, get my master's, and then get a job, and then probably start up a business. But again, alhamdulillah, I was literally working so hard on my dropshipping stores that it came to the point that I was making more money than my family. And at that time, you know, my parents were like, we don't know at this point, to be honest. If you want to drop out, you can drop out. If you want to study, you can study. Now, if you guys don't know this already, you can literally continue your college at any time, get your degree or anything from literally any part of the world. So getting that paper to make my parents proud is still one of my dreams. I still want to continue my college/university. Maybe later down the road when I have free time from my business, business. But for now, I am just focusing on my dropshipping stores, on my mentorship, and I'm helping every other person to start their journey just like I did. And of course, on the screen, you guys can see, alhamdulillah, we have a Discord channel with over 30,000 members and over 3,000 students who are getting the same results like I did. Now, the best part about this Discord is that they're not going to face the challenges and the problems that I faced, because we have made a shortcut for every single step, from product research to building your Shopify store to even marketing the products. And the best part, guys, for you to get started, it only costs $49 per month. Now, when I started, I had to pay thousands in order to get mentorships, in order to get started with dropshipping, and it wasn't really easy. But just because I faced all of those challenges, I wanted to make an easy way out for you guys, and that's exactly what I did. So if you guys would like to get started with my mentorship, make sure you guys click on the link down below and get your spot today, inshallah, before we change the price to $99 per month. What it includes is everything completely, from product research to daily winning products, as well as building your Shopify store, and 7+ hours of dropshipping content on marketing, product research, building your store, and everything that comes around dropshipping and e-commerce. Now, let's talk about how dropping out of college was one of the best decisions of my life and how it actually changed my life. Now, when I first dropped out of college to take a gap year, it wasn't really easy. Of course, my parents weren't really comfortable with it, but I just had this one dream in my mind. If I actually make it, I'm gonna be making it completely by dropping out completely, and if I couldn't achieve the target that I had in my mind, I would get back in college and complete it fully. Now, alhamdulillah, as I told you guys, everything worked out in my way, and how it worked out in my way is by me not giving up and by me being consistent with so many different products, so many different stores, and not having the mindset of giving up, even though at that time people kept saying that dropshipping is dead and it's oversaturated. Now, the only thing you probably have to do is literally get a winning product and you have changed your life completely. It isn't like any other business where you have to do so many reach outs, so many this and that. All you would have to do is literally have a winning product. And to find out one winning product, guys, you are literally capped by 20 products. And what I mean by that is that maximum amount of products that you can try is 20 products, and within that 20 products, you will 100% get your first ever winning product. And alhamdulillah, I can say this proudly that I'm a living proof of the fact that if you actually put in the work, you will truly achieve everything that you have ever wanted. At 17, I wanted everything at the store. At 20, I bought it all just to make sure, and that's how my life went, alhamdulillah.